everyone, this is Michael, Chief Customer Officer here at NeonPanel, and today we are continuing a series related to onboarding with NeonPanel. In the previous video, we learned how to connect our Amazon accounts and how to navigate the onboarding page. And so the next step here is to optimize Warehouses catalog. So let me go ahead and click here. And you can see I'm taken to the Warehouses page. And let me just say a few words about why you need to optimize your Warehouses catalog at all. When you connect your Amazon account, one of the things that we import are the FBA shipments and AWD shipments. And the way that information, that data comes through is there are two fields. There is a name field and there is an address field associated with where the stock is being picked up from. And so those are the two things that we get, and based on those two things, we create warehouses. Now, Amazon sometimes creates variations in the address. So sometimes for exactly the same warehouse, they will provide exactly the same address, except one of them is going to have a comma in it and another one will not. So I've simulated such a situation here. So let's see manufacturer warehouse 1. So previously there was off screen, there was a manufacturer warehouse 1 and a manufacturer warehouse 2. And you can see the only difference between the two is that there is a little comma here which is not present in the first instance. So I've gone ahead and merged those two warehouses. Now, let's say that in this situation, I actually want to combine my manufacturer warehouses in something that is called supplier forwarding. So to make my logistics simpler, I just treat all the manufacturers' warehouses as supplier forwarding, because in this case my suppliers don't hold any stock there. So actually what I want to do is I want to merge this manufacturer warehouse with my supplier warehouse as well. So I click on the merge button and then I choose which warehouse I want to merge this one to. And then I click save. And what this did is it transferred the transactions from one warehouse to another. And so when I click back on the manufacturer's warehouse 1, you see the merge button changed to the delete button, because now there are no transactions associated with this one. And so I don't have the restriction to delete it. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this one. And that's it. I've merged my manufacturer warehouse to the supplier forwarding warehouse. Now, another situation that you may encounter is with AWD warehouses if you use Amazon's warehouse and distribution service. When you create your account, you're going to get a system AWD warehouse, but through the shipments, you will usually get something like IUSP AWD Greencastle. So you can tell that these two are both AWD warehouses, and you probably will want to merge them so that it's easier for your supply chain team and that to make sure that there are no gaps. So again, you would want to click on the warehouse you want to eventually delete. You click the merge button, you choose which warehouse you want to merge it to. You want to merge it to AWD. You click save, and then you go back and you delete the original warehouse. And you will see that after you delete that warehouse, the address is transferred to the one that you decided to keep. That's so that whichever address comes through the next time, NeonPanel will know to use this specific warehouse regardless of the variation. Now we've just merged the warehouses catalog. The vendor catalog is exactly the same. I just want to show you that as well. So in here we have a blue apparel vendor duplicate, and we have a proper blue apparel vendor. And so again, in a very similar fashion, what we want to do is we want to click merge here. we want to go and choose the blue apparel vendor. We'll click save, and then we go to the blue apparel vendor duplicate and we delete it. So now we have merged the vendors and the warehouse's catalogs. And so let's return to our onboarding page and click this task here. We've completed 2 out of the 7 tasks for inventory management, and we will take the others in the next video. Thanks for watching, and the next video will be in the description. I'll see you there.